Welcome to the Best Practices for BMO Smart Saver tutorial, where you will learn how to maximize your savings and achieve your financial goals. The BMO Smart Saver account is a high-interest savings account designed to help you grow your money over time. To get started, it is essential to understand the key features of the BMO Smart Saver account. This account offers a competitive interest rate, no monthly fees, and easy online access to your funds. You can also set up automatic transfers from your primary checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. The first step in using the BMO Smart Saver account effectively is to set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to save for, whether it is a short-term goal like a vacation or a long-term goal like a down payment on a house. Having a specific goal in mind will help you stay motivated to save. Next, create a budget that accounts for your savings. Calculate your income and expenses to determine how much you can realistically set aside each month. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. To make the most of your BMO Smart Saver account, take advantage of automatic transfers. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being forgotten. You can also consider setting up multiple transfers throughout the month to coincide with your pay schedule. Another best practice is to avoid dipping into your savings account for non-essential purchases. Treat your savings account as a separate entity from your everyday spending money. This will help you avoid the temptation to spend your savings on impulse purchases and stay on track with your financial goals. Finally, monitor your progress regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your financial goals. You can use online banking or the BMO mobile app to track your account balance and transfer history. Adjust your budget and savings plan as needed to stay on track. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of your BMO Smart Saver account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to set clear goals. Create a budget. Take advantage of automatic transfers. Avoid dipping into your savings, and monitor your progress regularly. With discipline and patience, you can grow your savings over time and achieve financial stability.